let's say something drastic change happened to traders, and if most of the retail traders or significant amount of traders become smart, then will those real SMs or big money will be bothered by this change? Will they change the way they look at the market? See, I'll tell you what happens. The market is growing, right? If you look at the figures of the amount of demat accounts opened, and I think our market is probably the largest in terms of that. So what is happening is the markets are constantly growing. More and more people are coming in. And invariably, if someone new is coming into the markets, he will not have that much amount of experience. Since I have been through this whole journey of growing from an idiot retail trader to whatever I am right now, I can tell you that no matter how strongly you make your point, people are not going to give up on their stupidity. So there will be traders who will keep denying the points that we are trying to make here. They will still keep believing in price action, they will still keep believing in indicators, and they will never ever inquire what is causing, what is behind this whole market development, what trader behavior we should be looking at instead of just the price. They will keep denying it. I myself did for such a long time. I agree that if majority of people become smart, then definitely everyone will be a little bit prudent, and then reading the markets will keep becoming more and more difficult. But the problem here is people don't learn. New people will keep coming to the markets. Even experienced traders I have seen fall into traps of doing something absolutely stupid in the markets. I have seen good traders do stupid mistakes in the market. So since it relates to human psychology, there is no hard and fast rules or guarantees that once you learn things, you will never make a mistake. Even I make a mistake. Just a few weeks ago, I lost 1.5% of my capital. I tell you so many things. I'm giving you daily 2-hour lectures, and you are paying for it, and I still made a mistake. So just imagine, it's not very easy for traders to not make a mistake in the markets, no matter how experienced or how good you are. The point is how you learn from it and how quickly you recover from it. So this particular trait of recovering from your mistakes and learning from them and not repeating them is not easily learned or easily mastered. Forget about traders as such. Like you cannot say that, okay, I am a prudent trader or a smart trader, and a certain person, he's a retail trader, he's an idiot trader. He can be an idiot trader, he can take a fantastic trade just by luck. And I am an experienced trader and I can make a very small mistake and pay the price. So don't put people into this classifications of smart or amateur. You put the behaviors of people into those categories. So instead of saying that the smart money will come and exploit the retail traders, you can say that the smart behavior will always get the better of amateur behavior. So you can be trading the markets for 20 years, but you can still behave like an amateur trader, and you can be having the first day in the markets and you can still take a trade which is like right in line with the smart money because you did it by luck. What I'm saying is, yes, people will make progress, but people will still keep making the mistakes. People will still fall prey to their emotions. It is not possible to be in control of, first thing, you cannot control the emotions, but it is not even possible to be constantly aware of the kind of emotions you are having. It takes a lot of practice and hard work and lots of meditation and all those kinds of things to be constantly aware of your emotions. It takes a lot of energy which a normal person like you and me does not have. So don't worry too much about it. What I would rather focus on is to find out the smart behavior in any situation and stick to it. That's it. And even if you do it like half the time when you are analyzing or trading the markets, if you stick to the behavior, smart behavior, only 50% of the time, and for the rest of the 50% you keep making mistakes, but you keep your risks small. Over leveraging, over trading is a mistake which nobody can protect you from. But not analyzing the markets correctly, reading the markets incorrectly, putting in a buy trade instead of a sell trade, all these mistakes are okay as long as you are keeping your risks in check, your position sizes in check. Then you will have sufficient time to recover from them and learn from them and move forward. So don't worry too much about it.